Welcome to the headquarters of Cogelec's manufacturing division in Vendée, on the western side of France. This is the spiritual home of Intratone, France's #1 provider of access control solutions. Since its launch in 2000, a large part of Intratone's success is due to its pioneering development in the field, not least with the introduction of the revolutionary plug-and-play service. A service clé en main, as Deborah in Dispatch might say.
I'm Lucy, export coordinator based in France in HQ for the 3 subsidiaries based in UK, Germany and Benelux. The programming service, now called Plug and Play, is based in France here in the factory and has been created in 2016 with 3 people, now made of 8 people, so it's been growing really fast, with really the goal to strengthen the relationship with our customers, bring them more support and make their life easier.
I'm Charlene, I'm programming leader for Intratone, and I'm just informed that we will program a new residence with almost 500 fobs. So we will collect elements from our customer, and then I will be able to start programming. It means that we will create the management portal, so I'm going to set up all the accesses. I'm going to send the information to Ophélie, which will be doing the following steps.
I am Ophélie. I work at the Plug and Play department. I'm in charge of the fob and remote control part, and my job is to program the database.
Thanks to the programming Plug and Play service, everything is working from day one. The housing manager will directly get the fobs in individual boxes per apartment to ease the distribution to the tenants, and the installer has everything already declared, so they just have to wire to make it work.
So to do all those programming steps, we need 3 elements: the order for the equipment, the contract from the end customer, and also the Excel sheet with the names and the phone numbers to import. Once we received all these elements, we can start programming within 10 business days.
Moi, c'est Déborah, je travaille au service expédition. Ma mission est de préparer les commandes de programmation pour ensuite les expédier. Je prépare le matériel, je colle les étiquettes sur chaque produit. Dans un second temps, je vais expédier les badges que Nadège a préparés. Et ensuite, je mets le tout en colis et j'expédie.
We choose to offer for free this service to all of our customers to bring them the most satisfaction possible.
With our plug-and-play service, the transition to a new Intratone system couldn't be simpler, which probably explains its popularity. Every year, over 500 residences in the UK, Germany and Benelux regions take advantage of this revolutionary service. A total of 1,250 door entry systems and over 34,000 fobs pre-programmed and counting. Speak to your representative about our P&P service and access a better life with Intratone.